Elephants are the largest living land animal in the world. They can be both gentle giants and ferocious creatures based on how we treat them. Elephants are closely related to the majestic creatures, the woolly mammoth. Several projects are working on to bring back these prehistoric creatures by gradually adding mammoth genes to modern elephant cells. There are only three different species of elephants: African, Asian, and Indian, in which African savanna is largest among them. And here are a few facts about these gentle giants that might surprise you. Number 1. Newly born elephant cubs are called calves, and they're obviously cute. They weigh about 91 kgs and stand about 3 feet tall. Baby elephants typically don't learn to control their trunks until they're about a year old, which may result in behavior like this. Number 2. Feeding such a giant animal is no easy game. They consume almost 4 to 7% of their body weight. They eat grass, herbs, and fruit. Thank goodness they are vegan. Just imagine if these giants were non-veg. They would have wiped out species after species. Even King of the Jungle would have been in trouble. Number 3. Elephants are faster than humans. Despite their size, they're actually pretty nimble and can walk up to 195 kilometers per day. They can run at speed of up to 40 miles per hour, which is a lot faster than us humans can run. So folks, if you ever get caught in such situations, make sure you run so fast, so fast, so fast enough to beat Usain Bolt's record. Number 4. Their leader is female. There is actually one leader, the matriarch, who is often the oldest female. Young females stay with the herd while the male are cast out from the herd during adolescence to lead the life of a more solitary bull elephant. The herd is all about the oldest female and their female offsprings. Number 5. Elephants have fans. You might assume that bigger ears automatically means extra sensational hearing. Definitely not. They don't have more sweat glands like we do. So they use their ears as fan to keep them cool. The more the ears flap, the hotter the elephant is. Elephants are very prone to skin parasites. So they use mud and dust baths to get rid of them as well as to cool off. Number 6. They have feelings. Elephants mourn just as woolly mammoths did in the Ice Age era. A herd of woolly mammoths pay their respects to the remains of deceased relatives. Elephants mourn the death of a loved one. Family groups have been known to return to the locations where friends and family members died and linger for some time. Number 7. An elephant's trunk is actually a fusion of the upper lip and an elongated nose. The trunk alone weighs as much as 140 kg and can hold up to 12 liters of water. Number 8. They fight for dominance. Each year, for 2 to 3 months, adult male elephants experience must, a biological condition which drives them go crazy. During this condition, they become sexually hypoactive and attempt to show their dominance over other male elephants. These heavyweight champions use tusk as spears and their size as advantage to fight. The clash of these titans could continue for over 10 hours. These desperate actions are pretty common in their territory. Number 9. Their massive size can be an advantage, but it serves them the other way around too. At nights, the adults form a circle around calves to protect them from danger. Shielding themselves from predator as a herd is protective, but if caught alone, death is certain. Number 10. Elephants are not cold-blooded killers. From what I know, they are very calm and intelligent beings. Humans and elephants share a lovely relationship. They don't rampage on people without a reason. Let me show you a few incidents to prove my thought. Incident 1. A herd of around 40 elephants came to a village and went on a rampage and trampled a man to death. But what could have made these gentle giants a ferocious beast? This incident happened a few days after a calf from their group was killed by people from that village. No wonder why they went on rampage. Even we humans would have done the same. Elephant mothers are very protective of the young ones and will stop at nothing to rescue them from danger. Incident 2. This is Mary, a circus elephant who was left under Walter Edridge, who has no real experience of handling elephants. During the parade, he jabbed her with spear time and again. Now, elephants are known for their quick temper. She pulled him down and trampled him to death. In response, on September 13, 1916, Mary was hung to death for this incident. Poor Mary, it was never her choice to be in the circus. She didn't even ask for this. Is this what we call justice? Hanging an innocent animal who can't even defend themselves.